Hello dear students, happy to see you all. Welcome back to ninth standard chemistry class. In this lesson, you came across through different concepts, right? You have learned about the characteristics of acids and alkalis, ionization reactions, chemical formulae and so many things. Have you ever think about what will happen when an acid and an alkali reacts with each other? Today we are going to see a chemical reaction between dilute sodium hydroxide and dilute hydrochloric acid solution. Let's see the experiment and find out. Now see the experimental setup. Here a 50 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid is taken in a burette and a 20 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution is pipetted out in a conical flask using a pipette. The sodium hydroxide solution is mixed with the phenolphthalein. Now see the experiment. Take 20 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution in a conical flask. Add 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein reagent. You can see a color change in the solution. Now hold the conical flask below the burette and add dilute HCl gradually. Mix the solution well and add HCl drop by drop and stir. Stop adding HCl when the color disappears completely with just 1 drop of HCl. Is the solution acidic or alkaline? Now dip the blue litmus and red litmus paper separately into the conical flask. Did you see any color change? What did you understand from this? In this solution, the acidic and alkaline property is completely lost. In other words, we can say the acid and alkali react with each other to nullify their individual properties. Such chemical reactions are called neutralization reactions. So what are neutralization reaction? Acid and alkali react with each other to nullify their individual properties to form salt and water. Such chemical reactions are called neutralization reactions. Analyze the equation. The H plus ions from HCl and OH minus ions from sodium hydroxide solution combines together to form water, and the sodium ion from sodium hydroxide and the chloride ion from hydrochloric acid left in the solution to form the product salt. This shows that when an acid reacts with an alkali, corresponding salt and water are the products. So did you understand neutralization reaction? Let's see some more examples for neutralization reaction. Have you ever felt a burning sensation in your stomach? What is the reason? You have learnt in biology that hydrochloric acid helps in the process of digestion in the stomach, right? But what happens when the acid level in the stomach is increased? Yes, it causes a burning sensation in the stomach, normally called acidity. And what do we do in such situations? We use certain medicines for reducing acidity in the stomach, right? And these medicines are called antacids. Do you know how do they work? Normally, all the antacids are alkaline in nature, and these antacids react with hydrochloric acid in the stomach and occurs neutralization reaction. Hence, the acidity is reduced. But what type of substance are present in antacid? The chemicals like calcium carbonate, aluminium carbonate, aluminium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate and magnesium hydroxide are the main components of antacids. Next is slaked lime is sprinkled in farms with acidic soil. As you know, excessive use of chemical fertilizer make the soil acidic. Therefore, the plants do not grow well when the soil is too acidic or too basic. When the soil is acidic, it is treated with alkalis like quicklime or slaked lime. Similarly, if the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it so that the acidic substance which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Let us see the third application. When ant bites, it injects an acidic liquid called formic acid into the skin. It causes an excessive pain. The effect of this acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contain zinc carbonate. Alright children, let's conclude today's class. Today we discussed about neutralization reactions and its applications. An acid and alkali react with each other to nullify their individual properties to form salt and water are called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reactions have many applications. Our stomach contains HCl acid, but the large amount of acid in the stomach causes acidity. To relieve from acidity, we use antacid. Similarly, the formic acid injected by the ant is reduced by using baking soda or calamine solution that contain zinc carbonate. The increased level of acidity in the soil is removed by the application of quicklime or slaked lime in the soil. Similarly, if the soil is basic in nature, acidic substances are added in order to neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Okay children, so let's meet you in the next class. Study well. Thank you.